Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you get notified when we upload new videos. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can get rid of My AI on Snapchat. Snapchat has a feature of My AI. To do this, open Snapchat app on your phone, then press on the chat button on the bottom tab and get to the chat. You will see that My AI is on the top of the chat. Now, if you long press on your My AI, there is an option called Manage Friendship. When you say it, there is nothing that you can do from here to get rid of it. So what you can try is long press on My AI, then go to chat settings and then disable the message notifications from the AI. When you go to My AI and ask it, how do I get rid of you? It says that you can only unpin the AI, but you cannot get rid of it completely. It also shows you a couple of steps that you can take to unpin it, but according to the recent updates, these features are not available as well. So another thing you can try to do is tap on your profile and then tap on the settings. Go down. When you get to the account actions heading, there's an option called clear My AI data. Press on it and press confirm. Now by this, your AI data is cleared, and if you mute your AI, you will not receive any new notifications from your AI. These are the only options that you have with you to get rid of My AI. You can only disable it for temporary uses. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to drop us a like and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.